有一个纪念礼品也想送你，
This is a lamp.
这个是
You
个
can
灯，
put it, yung tawag yan sa tabi ng...
就是你床边，可以放在你床边，就是你床边，对对对，这是一个灯，菲律宾传统的一个灯，
We call it Manila, my Manila.
是我的马尼拉。
Pwede makisuyo para naman na... Please, please. Ma'am.
Step a little bit.
I don't know if you met Mr. Victor Lee.
We have lunch together.
Oh, that's nice. So where did you go?
你刚才去了哪里？然后去逛了一下这边。So this morning we went to Intramuros. Wow. San Agustin Church, Casa de Museum, Casa de Manila, and then after that we had an FFCCII luncheon at the building, FFCCII building.
The federation is very helpful to the city of Manila, especially during challenging times. It's the North Star of Filipino-Chinese doing business in the city and in the country, of course. I've been helping a lot of fellow Filipinos in the country since time immemorial.
所以飞华商联总会呢，对马尼拉市政府是一个很大的帮助，就是帮助很多华人，很多那种商业。所以从刚开始的时候，飞华商联总会就一直帮助了马尼拉，特别是我们的市政府，所以他特别感激飞华商联总会。
1 minute lang ha. Pwede makisuyo pa yung bangko kay Vice Mayor.
Yan na nga eh.
Makisuyo lang. Please.
Pero sa atin.
Hindi. Ito na.
Kayo po ang guest, no?
Ayan eh.
Go ahead. There we go. Thank you.
Please. Okay.
Thank you.
Sorry, they were very excited to see you.
期待看到你见你啊！大家都在这边。
Candice is also from Manila. We asked her help to translate every now and then, especially with VIPs like you visiting the city.
所以呢，我也会帮助你们，就是我代表马尼拉市政府，也会帮助那种特别重要的嘉宾来帮忙翻译。哦，对。
You have so many fans, even our elders in the city.
很多粉丝，老年一代也特别喜欢你嘛，对，很荣幸。
I've known them for like easily 20 years.
就认识他们20多年了。哦，我们这些各位飞华商联总会的领导。
不但是年轻人，老人家也喜欢。
对啊。
Him, 30 years make it. I mean,
他跟施东方博士已经认识。
I've known him when I was 18 years old.
他18岁的时候就已经认识施东方博士。
10年前。
对，30年前呢。
He owns one of the best toothpaste in the country.
他的
Happy
牙膏牌子
toothpaste.
是最好的，全国最好的牌子，他的 Happy。
When you brush your teeth, you can smile and you be happy.
对你用他的那个牙膏，对，他的牌子叫 Happy，Happy 开心，对 Happy，他牙膏的牌子对叫 Happy，对。
How's your trip in Intramuros?
刚才在 Intramuros 你觉得怎么样？就是逛的还好吗？
对，我觉得这边就是非常的整洁，然后有秩序，然后非常的漂亮。我发现就路边有很多那种小铃铛，那种超级的小铃铛，然后就感觉好可爱，然后很亲切的感觉。
Okay, so she really loves Manila. A while ago in Intramuros, she feels that everywhere it's very clean, and also she see a lot of bells, like little bells, because she's a huge fan of little bells. Actually, her cell phone wallpaper is bells as well.
Really, you like bells?
Yeah, so she said that Manila is such a beautiful place. The people are so warm and friendly, and of course, it's also very tidy and neat. That's what she noticed.
Oh, thank you for your appreciation. You know, Manila is a very old city.
是很古老的一个城市，马尼拉。对
And that's one of our challenges because there is a lot of old buildings here. But at the end of the day, we take that disadvantage to our advantage because these buildings, this city is old, but it has a lot of story and history.
这个就是马尼拉的挑战，因为很多这些楼都是特别旧的老旧，但是呢，市长还是觉得挺好的，因为这些都是有历史、历久弥新的，很有历史的那种概念。对
是的，因为我刚刚在那个教堂门口看到那个小狮子，也是听那个导游跟我们讲，说是中国跟菲律宾就是一起合作的那个教堂。所以我今天能看到那个教堂，我也觉得非常的开心，而且感觉我们的心和心连得更紧。
Okay, so one of the highlights today is visiting the San Agustin Church. And she also saw there are a lot of lions over there. And then the tour guide also told us that those lions are made by the Chinese people. Their gift towards the Philippines, to us Filipinos. So she's really grateful to see that. So you can really see the friendship between China and the Philippines. Even from way back, we've already been together as friends ever since before. The stone lions in San Agustin Church.
Did you see the behind the San Agustin Church? The ruins?
Oh yes, the Fort Santiago.
Oh no, the ruins.
We weren't able to visit.
Because just behind it, there is ruins. This is a remnants of World War II.
就是那个教堂，如果我们再往后走，那边有很多那种楼层，就已经是毁掉的楼层，那些都是因为战争的时候引起的。对，就是那个是一个纪念，就是让我们永远想起那个战争时代，所以后面都是有很多那种坠楼。
Ilang araw pa siya rito? Sorry ubos na English ko, 5 minutes lang.
Tagalog lang, okay lang. Tagalog na lang.
Ilang araw siya rito?
4 days.
4 days.
Monday, Tuesday.
Yeah, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. On Thursday, she's going to be.
Talaga. Yayain nyo sa Bahay Chino, sa Intramuros.
Mamaya pupunta siya sa Pinondo ngayon hapon.
Yeah. But also I want her to visit Bahay Chino so that she will be aware that there are Filipino-Chinese also heroes of the World War II.
OK， 市长很希望你可以去我们 Intramuros 有一个博物馆，是叫 Bahay Chino， 里面有很多英雄都是华裔，对，都是华人，所以真的是一个很有意义的一个博物馆，真的是代表我们华人在菲律宾，真的是做了很大的贡献给菲律宾人们，为我们这个国家。
This Filipino Chinese, they are more Chinese by blood, but in their heart and mind loves this country because they start living here, born here, and fought for our independence. It's very timely to visit because we are about to celebrate independence on June 12th. And this is part of our history as Manilans because a great group of young Filipino Chinese fought against the invader during the World War II.
就是马尼拉和菲律宾，我们有很多华人，虽然我们流的是中国的血统，但是我们的心早已经扎根在菲律宾，因为我们在这里出生长大，然后呢，当时世界大战的时候也牺牲了，然后呢，也是给了资源，就是真的想要赢得那个胜利，然后呢，可以取得自由，所以市长是说刚好也是我们的 Independence Day， 就是我们的独立节，所以去一趟我们那个 Bahay Chino 的那个博物馆也是非常有意义的。
It's a museum.
那个世界和平。
Yes, world peace now. We hope for world
They're
peace.
closed lang on Mondays.
Talaga? Kailan sila pupunta sa opisina nyo? Doon na kayo nag-lunch? So you saw all their activities. Did she saw the activities of the federation?
No time.
Wala na yung mga dumog.
So many fans.
Dumog na dumog.
Galaw eh.
Pinondo mamaya.
Ah,
Ngayon, ano?
Wilson,
Oo.
patikin mo to ng Holland, Poland, Great
带你去那种华裔的那些餐点，就是很多那种中国的那种糕点，菲律宾特色，华裔菲律宾特色的
Binondo.
菜肴。I feel like she's very excited. She loves to eat. I think she's
Oh,
very
galing mo to
excited.
sa Lido, 1939. Yun, Lido.
我们有一个餐馆是1939年对成立的，39对，叫 Lido 对，也是
And
华裔
there's
开
this
的。
Chinese pharmacy still existing. Just beside the President Restaurant, there is a Chinese pharmacy there.
对，还有一个很
Very
著名的
famous.
那个
Huh?
药店，中国的药店，
Oh.
同仁堂，对，
Oh.
同仁堂，对。
I always buy that the
他经常买那个白花油，头痛的时候用的紫花油吧。
下次可以给你推荐一个叫做风油精，是绿色的。
Okay, she's going to recommend you another a better one though. Color green yung tawag. Color green siya. What is 叫什么？
风油精，
风油精。
也治偏头。
Okay, it also helps with headaches.
oh,
对，然后会
kasi
提神醒脑。
It will also make you feel more energized. Refresher.
that's what
Ito?
they say. It's so cute.
Yeah, I know.
I hope you don't mind. Ilan po ba ito?
22
Masama kasi tanungin mo ito.
Animated.
22.
Grego. Sinabi sa akin.
Born in 2004.
2004.
21
21
years old. Born in 2004.
大学刚刚毕业的，
How long you been doing showbiz?
所以你当演员先当了多少？几年了？就是当演员，就是进娱乐圈。4年，4 years。
You're very famous to Filipinos.
对，在菲律宾真的是很受大家的喜爱，非常热，特别火，在菲律宾。
sabi niya, you're very handsome.
啊？
高不好？你是说他很帅对吗？刚才？
对啊，那
Hindi mo,
是晒的。
hindi mo ako inabutan ng 18 anyos eh.
你没有之前28岁的时候，你没有认识到他，
I'm 51 years old already.
51岁了。
Kasi edad lang halos ni Francis.
She can't see it that you're 51. She doesn't believe.
I'm
Yes.
51, but also I started with showbiz. Showbiz gave me an opportunity to better my life.
对他也是很早就进了娱乐圈，然后呢，娱乐圈帮忙了他，就是帮助了他的人生。对，
前辈，
Okay, you're
前辈，
前辈 is like his superior, like parang senpai, if you know that in Japanese. Senpai, parang
Ang
gano'n.
pay lang yun na
Parang like in Chinese culture kasi, if you're, parang master, you are mentor, yes.
been started at the age of 18 years old
18岁开始进娱乐圈，
in showbiz.
你跳舞吗？你知道跳舞？Yes, very good at dancing. I think I heard from his manager that she's the top in her class because she's the top in her class in her batch because she's from the best artista school like Central Academy of Drama in China. It's very hard to get in, and most of the really famous actors
Wow.
and actors are from that school. Yes, her course is like musical performances, so it's kind of like stage acting and singing, kind of a little bit like Broadway.
Like Julia.
Yes, like Juilliard. Yes.
May
Very
school
talented.
sila for that, ha?
They have a school for that. Yes, for acting.
Talagang nag-i-invest sila.
Yes. So she graduated from that school.
Ha? Dying aside. Wow. Steady lang kayo, nakakaya. Loko-loko tong mayor ng Maynila. But anyway, I'm really happy and honored that you came and
非
visit
常开
us.
心你来到了马尼拉，然后呢跟他们一起见面。
我也很开心能跟你们一起交流学习。
She's also very happy to come here and to learn from you all.
And you know, I heard that you came to the country to really nurture our relationship culturally and all other matters. But if you have time also, you're going to Binondo, di ba? Pare, pakilala mo naman si Ong Pin.
Ay, oo.
Very important kasi yun sa
对，
Binondo because
就是我们比农的这个地区有一个先贤，他的名字叫王斌先生 （Roman Ong Bin）。他是一名华裔，就是很早以前在世界战争的时候，然后呢，他支持了很多革命者，然后呢，争取那个自由。所以对我们菲律宾人来说，特别是对 Binondo 的人来说，他也是一个英雄。
because I want you to learn that we have a very long-standing, good relationship with our Filipino-Chinese. Especially during those old times, in the likes of Roman Mongpin, he paid the price, helping our revolutionary heroes, supported it for the liberation and independence of this country. So many stories, very particular, close to our heart as Manileños, not only as Filipino-Chinese, but as Manileños, to have that kind of person who would pay the price, spend his personal money to support the revolution against, I think at that time, Spaniards, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes. 就是王斌先生，他就是支持革命，然后呢，用自己的资源，然后呢，牺牲自己。当然不是牺牲自己的生命，就是牺牲他的资源呐，就是真的是努力的去帮那些革命者。然后呢，市长也说了，其实菲律宾和中国很早以前就已经紧密相连了。
因为我们的国家的土地挨的其实已经很近了，所以我觉得既然我们的就是土地域离得很近，我们的心应该更加紧紧的连在一起。因为我刚才听到就是这位帅哥，这位帅哥说，就是有很多华裔的英雄嘛，对，所以我听到他的这些故事，我也觉得，但愿世界和平，真的是。
So first, she wanted to call you as you're the handsome guy. The handsome. You're like si handsome. Gano'n. Sabi po niya na parang since our
No, sabi mo kinikilig ako. Coming from her.
exciting 这样子那种感觉，对不对？So she's saying that two of our countries, Philippines and China, are actually very near each other. So it actually makes sense that we both should be very close, even not just distance, but also in the heart. And then she's really happy that you shared about the heroes of Manila, and she hoped that, again, her name is really like world peace.
Kaming mga taga Maynila, hindi matigas ang leg namin. We know how to look back and give credit where it's due.
对，他们知道怎么就是感恩，就是他们知道以前过去的事情，他们永远会记在心上。
Because our parents, our elders would teach us, even in school, ang hindi lumingon sa pinanggalingan na hindi makararating sa paroroonan.
Okay. Amen. Okay. Okay, that's amen to me. Okay， 就是呢，我们要永远记得，就是我们从哪里来，就是不管什么事情，我们永远感恩，就是我们的父母感恩，就是你是从哪里来，你就要永远感恩等等，就有点像你的那个电视剧一样，就是永远会喜欢你的那个省份，对吧？
水之莲，
对。
It is a teaching of our parents and our teachers.
这就是我们父母还有我们老师教会我们的。
I'm really happy that you have interest in the country, and especially Manila.
我真的很开心，你对菲律宾很感兴趣呢，特别是我们马尼拉市。
对，刚才想接他上一句话，就是说，在中国有一句古话叫做“百善孝为先”，就是自己的父母其实是自己最大的保佑的佛祖，所以说大家的很多文化都是相通的，所以这个我也很开心。然后我来到马尼拉，来到菲律宾，也觉得非常开心，非常荣幸能来到这里参观交流学习。
Okay, so she said that she really resonated with what you said earlier, your statement earlier. She said that in China, there's a poem which means that our parents are our blessings. So she realized that even if you're Chinese or if you're Filipino, it's all comes down to filial piety.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we have so much love to our elders, especially our seniors. Here in Manila, they are spoiled under the policy and program of governance of the city government under my watch. They are my favorite.
就是市长说他很热爱那种比较就是老年人，然后呢，他们在菲律宾在马尼拉市的很多那种策划规则都是对老年人好一点，对，就是。
Di sige para maka
May regalo siya, dala pang Beijing.
talaga.
May dala siya, dala.
还有来自
Basta pakainin niyo to ng hopya. You know,
自中国的礼
Pepe, I declared a particular day in recognition of culture and tradition in Manila, what you call Hopia Day.
就是后边是我们这里有一个特色的一个小吃，还有
I
点
want
像
you to taste it.
甜，他市长就很喜欢这个小吃，然后对我们的这个文化也很有意义，所以他特地有一个马尼拉的节日，就专门庆祝这一个小吃，叫 Hopia。小希望你可以讲 Hopia。
Hopia, hope. There is this NBT in Holland. Akala mo may regalo pa ako. Nakakatuwa naman tong batang to.
这个是
Haliga.
这个是来自中国的礼物，是我们所有中国的朋友一起送给你的。
So this is a gift from China. This is on behalf of everybody here from China. It's a gift for you, a very special gift for you.
Oh, thank you to all the delegates from Beijing. Thank you very much. Oh, thank you. Silk Road.
丝路传香，
Try it. You took tutor wing with me, right? I taught you Mandarin last time. Make me proud, Mayor.
From the Silk Road.
Silk Road, yeah.
Fragrance from the Silk Road.
Fragrance from the silk. It's tea. It's tea. Oh, what tea?
special
Smile for the camera. Smile.
Thank you. Oh. Meron din kaming token. Sabi mo sa kanya. Candice.
Yeah, sorry.
没 token.
OK，他们有一个纪念礼品也想要送给你，
This is a lamp.
这个是
You
个
can
灯，
put it, ang tawag yan, sa tabi ng
就是你床
kama niya.
边，可以放在你床边，就是你床边。对对对，这是一个灯，菲律宾传统的一个
We
灯，
call it Manila, my Manila.
就是我的马尼拉
Now you're Manila.
，Your Manila，
Our Manila.
就是你也是我们马尼拉。
Thank you.
Nice. Yeah.
Smile for the camera. Smile for the camera. Smile for the camera.
Looks like it's handcrafted.
Oh, handcrafted to.
这是
Dito na to.
手做的，对，就手工艺，对手工艺，handmade handmade手工艺。
Nice. Very nice.
Okay, let me put that in the box.
What's more? What's more? One more.
Meron pa daw silang gift sa'yo. One more gift.
Wey! Oh, walang arboran ha? Akin na to.
Yeah.
You're so
他说
beautiful.
不要拿出来，
In person and in picture.
他说这个比较
signature.
Oh, ayan. Anong ibig sabihin nito? Signature niya.
That's her name. Yes, Zhang Yunfei.
张子颖飞，
Pangalan niya.
Pero mas ang palayaw niya, Pepe.
Yes, her nickname. Yes.
Nickname.
Yes. Feifei. But Fifi kasi ano niya, English name niya.
Very nice.
Linda Walker is the character.
Pero mas kilala siya, you're well known
As
in
Linda.
the Philippines as
Linda.
Linda Walker.
Yeah, Linda. Yes.
Fun fact: her manager's name is Linda.
Maybe I'll put it there.
要签个名，要签个名，要签的
上面有一
还有的，
Ano bang pecha ngayon?
June 8.
Can you put June 8?
写一下6月8号2026年，6月8号2026年
Para lang ito
，6月8号。
6月8号，Winterson，还有
2026年6月8日。
Oh, okay, thank you.
签你的名。
Is it given to? This is her name.
Oh，
This means
with the heart, with the heart, 2 hearts.
that's her heart, your heart.
It's like Philippine.
And then world peace.
World Peace。
World peace.
Yeah, that's what I've been telling a lot of people nowadays. Let there be peace on
There
earth.
be peace on earth.
And even kanina this morning, I told that I hope that we'll find peace
sana。
among our leaders.
今天早上也说了，世界和平关于世界，也是我们的领
The
导
same
人
message,
Yeah。
same inspiration.
一
Same
样的理
wish.
念，我们两个。
O, teka muna. Baka magkadalian. Pa-frame nyo na to. I promise you, I'll put it there. Here.
他承诺他会挂在他的蛋。
Okay, so yung...
Baka pwede kaya makapag-picture sa media sa labas, sa vloggers out, kayong dalawa. Sa CBS Mayor.
O, dito?
Sa labas ng mga vloggers.
O, sige.
Marami kasing vlogger in media.
Naghihintay sa labas.
Marami naghihintay sa inyo.
Talaga.
Daming
Tapos, kasama din ang FFCCI.
Yeah.
The oceans, well, I said goodbye.